Imagine stepping into your shower and feeling the frustration of a weak spray or a tangled hose. Choosing the right cordless shower head can make all the difference in your daily routine. In today's video, we'll explore the top 5 cordless shower heads available on Amazon in 2026, highlighting their unique features and what sets them apart from one another. Stick around to discover which one made it to our #1 spot, offering the best combination of quality and affordability. Don't forget to check the links in the description for current prices, and be sure to subscribe for more great product comparisons. Hibbent all-metal, high-pressure Rainfall, 10 feet shower head. This powerful shower head delivers a luxurious rainfall experience that you can enjoy at home. The Hibbent all-metal high-pressure shower head boasts a spacious 10-inch diameter, allowing water to cascade gently but forcefully, perfect for those who appreciate a satisfying pressure. It's made of durable metal, ensuring longevity while resisting corrosion. Ideal for families who want to enhance their bathing experience, it's particularly beneficial for those with long hair, as the wide spray helps saturate hair quickly. However, its installation can be a bit tricky for those who are not handy with tools, which may require professional help. GRICH shower head. The GRICH shower head is a versatile option that combines convenience with functionality. It features multiple spray settings, allowing you to customize your shower experience based on your mood or needs. Ideal for households with various shower preferences, this shower head offers everything from a gentle mist to a powerful massage spray. Users love its sleek design and easy installation, making it a favorite for DIY enthusiasts. Additionally, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, which is perfect for families. However, some users have noted that it may require occasional cleaning to maintain optimal pressure. AquaSense 3 Setting Handheld Shower Head. The AquaSense 3 Setting Handheld Shower Head is designed for those who value flexibility and ease of use. With 3 distinct spray settings, this handheld option allows you to switch between a relaxing rain spray, a soothing massage spray, or a concentrated jet spray. This multifunctionality makes it a great choice for busy parents who need to shower quickly but also want to relax after a long day. One standout feature is its lightweight design, which prevents arm fatigue during use. However, the hose length may be shorter than some users prefer, which could limit reach for taller shower users. Handheld shower head. This versatile handheld shower head is perfect for anyone seeking a combination of portability and performance. With an ergonomic grip and a flexible hose, this model is ideal for washing pets or for those who need to shower while sitting. Its adjustable spray settings allow for a personalized experience, making it suitable for everyone in the family. From kids to adults, the design accommodates both handheld and fixed shower use, providing excellent versatility. While it shines in functionality, some users might find the water flow a bit less powerful compared to fixed models, potentially requiring longer shower times. Delta Faucet ProClean Chrome Shower Head. The Delta Faucet ProClean Chrome Shower Head stands out as our top pick for its blend of innovative technology and elegant design. This model features a unique self-cleaning mechanism that prevents mineral buildup, making maintenance a breeze. Ideal for homeowners looking for durability and style, it ensures a powerful and consistent water flow, enhancing your daily shower ritual. The polished chrome finish not only looks great, but also adds a touch of sophistication to any bathroom decor. A light drawback is that its premium features may come at a slightly higher price point, but the investment pays off in longevity and performance. Thank you for joining us in this review of the top 5 cordless shower heads for your home. Whether you're looking for power, versatility, or ease of maintenance, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the best deals on these fantastic products. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more reviews and comparisons. Your perfect shower experience is just a click away.